Right, as you know, Stevo DIY. Just going to throw a few things towards you guys today to help all you out, because I'm here to help you. I'm just going to go through my toolbox just to show you like the necessities, what you need to get through this pandemic and lockdown, and what you need as a skilled DIY man. So let's have a look. Right, this is my toolbox here, guys. So in here I've got claw things, right? I've got reflectors. Don't stick them on, you could actually stick them on the back of your ass and your missus can see you doing your DIY at night time. But don't use them. I've got this thing, which is screwdriver thing. I've got a plug, which if you're in Europe, that'd be well handy. So you could plug your drill in. You could plug your drill in. Don't even ask. I've got these anal nails. No, annual anal nails. Right, I'm just going to show you my second part of my my box. I've got all sorts in here, guys. It's best thing ever, hammer. Right, stick that in your belt. Take them out. I've got one of them, which you can sieve stuff. You can literally, like, I don't know, you could do anything like baking from that. Even DIY skills, you could do. I've got another travel adapter. Again, when in doubt, if you're abroad, you could use that for your drill. Never lose one of them. That's what the missus uses for me when she really gets annoyed. Right, I've got this. It's broken, right? Because look, I've missed that bit. You know, the rolly bit. Missed that. It's a bit broken, but it still works. Look. Right, forget that. Another plug. You can never go without another plug. So you've got one section there, straight in there. Them bad boys. Can't go wrong. Don't know what that is, but we're something plastic. These were the nails which Whitey told me to buy for my roof. Basically, I did most of my roof, but Whitey did 90% of it. I did 10% project managing, and I picked up the wrong nails. But apart from that, I have no idea what I'm going to do with them. Pump, I have no idea. That could be used to anything. That can be, you can grow stuff in it, and yeah. Right, that's the end of my toolbox tour, but this is like literally the necessities to get you through this coronavirus, and that's basically what you need. Sweet.